If you are also trying to add links to your TikTok bio and you're finding ways on how you can do that, then you've arrived to the right video, because in this video I'm exactly going to show you the process on how to add links to your TikTok bio. So if this sounds helpful, then stick till the end and let's get this video started. So in order to add any links to your TikTok bio, you will need to switch your account to a business account first. So to do that, open up your app of TikTok. Now from the home screen, head over to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. Now from here, tap on account and tap on switch to business account. Now choose any category that you like. It really doesn't matter. Tap on next. If you want, you can also add in additional email. You can also skip this part. And there you go. Your account has been now switched to a business account. Now you can head back to your profile again, and if you tap on edit profile, here you should be able to see an option of website. Currently mine doesn't show because this really differs upon the region where you live. Some people, after they switch to a business account, they are able to see an option of website, and some people are not. Some people need to have 1,000 followers to see that option. But if you live in a region that allows it, you should be able to easily see an option of website. You can simply tap on that and add in any of the links that you want. You can paste it in and you can tap on save. Other than other links, you can also add in your links of your Instagram and YouTube. If you tap on any of these options, if you tap on Instagram, it will take you to the website of Instagram where you'll need to enter in your username and the password that you want to link, and it will be automatically linked to your profile on your TikTok. And the other links that you added will show up like this, and people will be able to tap on this link and they will be directed straight to the website that you've added. So yeah, that's the process on how you can add links to your TikTok bio. If you guys like this video and found this video to be helpful, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our new coming videos. So that's about it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.